Hey y'all, I am so excited. I made my own candles. I bought this kit from $5 and below for only $5 because at this store there are things more than $5. I wanted to do this project for, let's say, over 10 years, and I'm so excited that I finally had the opportunity to do it. Yes, as you see, it says this for kids. Yes, I'm almost 50, but that's okay because I wanted something that will be easy. So I've been watching a lot of TikTok videos, so I got a lot of ideas. So I combined my ideas with this kit, in addition to some other items that I have for candle making. And so I was able to make projects from this kit as well as restore some of my old candles. I was so nervous at first, but once I got started, look how it went. Wow. That little wax inside, that is a piece of a birthday candle. I got that creative. I have some old birthday candles and I decided to just try it, be creative with it. And the wicks that you see me cutting, that's what came with the kit. This is one of my old candles. See, I'm just showing the label that it's old. And I restored it. I cannot believe it really burned. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe I filled most of my old candles because I like those jars. And thanks to TikTok, I learned that if I boil with water in the pot and put what I want to melt, such as my wax, on top, it will give a small steaming effect where it just simmers. So I had my stove on about 2, 3, 4, and yeah, it was really fun. I cut up little pieces of soap that I like. I like a lot of different soaps, but for this project, I use Caress soap. I bought a soap, no, a cheese grater from the dollar store, and that's what I used. And then I have some pieces of a lavender plant that I chipped up in there. So that's what you see, little chips of the lavender plant. And I lit the candles, 3 of them, so everybody can see how that turned out. I also made a